Good morning once again. This is Stone Pickers. Now I will show you my new pickup stone. This is a very rare and unique meteorite stone, but I don't know what kind of meteorite is this. This is my first time I saw this kind of stone. You can see the combination. The color is, there is a pink, white, brown, black, and the other I don't know if we will slice this. Maybe this is a beautiful color inside, and you can see the fusion cross, the melting fusion cross there in the outside. The yeah, okay, yeah, this is my unique meteorite. It's very heavy. Almost, that is 2.7 kilogram. Yes, 2.7 kilogram. It's so heavy. This. Thank you.